How to enroll with Zelle on the M&T Bank. Hey everyone, and let's get started. First and foremost, make sure you have downloaded and opened the M&T Bank app. Once you have done so, log in using your credentials. On the home page, you will see this option of send money in the bottom navigation bar. Tap on it and you will land to another page. Hereby, you will see Get Started with Zelle or Enroll with Zelle option. Tap on the Get Started button. Now you will have to agree to the Zelle terms and conditions by tapping on the Confirm button. Make sure to read all of the digital service agreement before continuing. On the next page, you can choose the mobile number or email address for verification. You can use the already registered mobile number or email address or add a new mobile number or an email address as well. You can tap on the option you like and tap on Continue. Select the number that you want to add and verify it by using the SMS sent on your mobile number. Now that you have successfully enrolled, you can choose your primary account to get enrolled with Zelle. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.